Hi friends, in today's video tutorial, we would study how to prepare this geometry in AutoCAD. So as usual, we'll first spend some time in analyzing this geometry and trying to see how we'll proceed with the drafting. After analyzing this drawing, I feel that the best starting point would be the midpoint of this circle. So from this center point, I'll first begin by drawing a circle of 50 dia and then another circle of 36 radius. Now you can see this entire entity is at 30 degrees angle from the center. So what we'll do is we will create this entire entity over here and then rotate this entity at 30 degrees angle and we'll get this shape. Then we will fillet it with a radius of 12 units. Then we'll draw one circle of 9 radius, 48 units from the center, another circle of 9 radius, 44 units from the center, join it quadrantial to quadrantial. Then we'll draw one line extending from the center to the bottom of 164 units and then to the left 15 units, and then with this as a center point, we'll draw a circle of dia 26, another circle of radius 24. Join these two circles tangential and then join this circle with a radius of 20. Create one circle with a radius 19. Fillet this with a radius of 20 and we are done. So let me show you how we'll proceed with this drafting. So we'll first begin by drawing this circle which is of 50 dia. So I select circle, center diameter. I use this as a tracking point and click somewhere over here and give the diameter as 50 and hit enter. Then we'll draw this circle of 36 radius. So we'll again select circle, center radius, same center point and radius is 36 units and hit enter. Now we'll create this circle which is of radius 8 and this circle is at 64 radius from this center point. So as I told you earlier that we'll be drawing everything at this level and then rotate it 30 degrees. So we'll select circle, center radius with the same center point. We'll draw a circle of radius 64. This circle we have drawn which is of radius 64. And then quadrantial to that point we'll draw a circle of radius 8. So I'll select circle, center radius, select the quadrantial point and we'll draw a circle of radius 8 and hit enter. Then we'll draw one line of 30 degrees with line, same center point and we can select any length and you can see the angles are measured this way. Here you can see. So if you come here then the angle becomes 180. So as you come down it becomes less and finally when you come here it becomes 0. So 180 minus 30 that is 150. So let the line be of any dimension. We'll press tab and we'll give the angle as 150 and hit enter. So now this angle is 30 degrees. Now here we'll draw the same circle, center radius, same center point and radius is 8. Now to get these two parts, what we'll do, we'll select circle, center radius, same center point and quadrantial to this. Again center radius, same center point and quadrantial to this. Now we'll trim the unwanted part of the circle. So we no longer need this, this, And we also don't need this, this, and this. Now we will offset this at a distance of 20 minus 8, that is 12 units. So we'll type offset and hit enter, and we'll give the radius as 12 units. So O for offset, and then we give the offset distance as 12. Select the object to offset and side to offset, object to offset and side to offset. Only this much part we'll do. Press enter. Now this whole entity, we'll move it down 30 degrees. So we select this whole entity like this, including the line, and then we type RO for rotate. We click over here and we give the rotation angle as 30 degrees and hit enter. So now this is at 30 degrees from the center point. Okay, now we can draw some line for reference like the center line. So we select line, we extend from here and click over here, and then we'll just extend it outwards. So we type extend this over here and this over here. So we get an extended line, and we'll take it still further down. To be more accurate, you can just draw one circle like this and take it a little bit further. Escape, and then extend this line and this line like this. So we get those center lines, and then we can erase the circle as we no longer need this referential circle. Enter. Now we'll fillet this with a radius of 12. So we type fillet, R for radius, radius is 12. We click here and we click here. So this is filleted. Now we'll proceed with drawing this entity. So this circle of radius 9 is at 48 units from the center point. So we'll select circle, center radius. This is the center point. Radius is 9. And then we'll move it. Click on the circle. Click on the center point. Turn the ortho on and move it at 48 units. And then copy that same circle down 44 units. So CO for copy. Click on the circle. Press enter. Click on the center point. Move it down 44 units. Hit enter. Press escape. Now draw tangential line from here to here. Enter. Another tangential line from here to here. You can draw tangential or quadrantial, it's okay. Then you can trim the unwanted circle like this and press escape. So this part is done. Now we want to draw this circle. So first we'll draw one line extending from the midpoint downwards at a distance of 164 units. Or you can just draw one line from here to the bottom at 72 units. So we select line. From here we stretch it down 72 units, hit enter. And then to the left 15 units, hit enter. Now with this as a center point, we'll draw a circle of 26 dia. So center diameter, click over here. Diameter is 26, and again circle center radius with this as center point, radius 24, hit enter. Now we no longer need these referential lines, so we'll erase the referential lines. Then we'll draw one tangential line. So L for line, TAN tan from here to TAN tan over here, hit enter. So this line is done. Now we have to draw these circles. So first, with the same center point, we'll draw one circle of 19 radius. So circle center radius, and we select the same center point, and radius is 19, hit enter. And then we fillet these two at a radius of 20. So F for fillet, R for radius 20, and click over here and click over here. So this is done. And now here also you want to fillet it. So again F for fillet, click over here and click over here, and this is also filleted. Now trim the unwanted part of the circles. So we don't need this, this and this. Also we don't need this, this and this. Now our basic line work is complete. So you can select the geometry and you can increase the line thickness to 0.30 like this. Then you can put the dimension center marks, cm for center mark, 1 over here, 1 here, 1 here and 1 here. Then you can change the color of the center marks here, here, here and here, and change the color of the center marks to red, and our basic geometry is complete. Now we can proceed with the dimensioning. We'll first start giving a radius of 36. So we'll click over here, radius for this 36, then diameter for this 50, then center to center linear dimensioning. So from here to here it is 48 units. Then radius dimensioning, click over here, it is 9. Again linear dimensioning, center to center, and join with this 44 units. Again linear dimensioning, center to center, and it is 72. And then radius dimensioning, give the radius for this circle, it is 24. Then linear dimensioning, center to center, distance is 15 units. Then diametric dimensioning, click over here and it is 26. Then radius dimensioning, click over here and it is 20. And then click over here, it is 19. Click over here, it is 20. Now again radius dimensioning, click over here, the inner circle, so radius this one, and it is 64. Then angular dimensioning, this angle 36 degrees, 30 degrees, and then again angular dimensioning, this line and this line, and again it is 30 degrees. And then radius dimensioning, radius for this, and again radius dimensioning, radius for this, and again radius dimensioning, radius for this. So with this, we have finished this geometry. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.